This is a nice quick video, this one, just to show you that there are two different properties windows that you can use for any object. If I select this circle and go to the very bottom, quick properties, here I can see the major properties for this object. So I can see it's a circle, I can see that it is on by layer for colour, I can see it's on layer 0, and I can even change it whenever I want using the properties window, change the settings. I can change the radius, for example, to 100. I can see the diameter, I can see the circumference and the area. That is quite useful, but there's a more comprehensive set of properties that we can see if we go to the actual properties option here. And here we can see that we get this large window, and this tells us everything that AutoCAD knows about this circle. If I select something else, a line, you can see that it changes and shows me everything there is to know about this line, and I can change anything in here. So at the moment I've got a start X and Y. Now remember that X and Y sort of work off this UCS. This UCS is 0, 0 for X and Y. And working along the X and working up for the Y, you can see that this is the value that it has for where this point starts and where the line ends. And I can change any of that in here. And I can see the endpoints, and the Z of course is 0 because we're working in 2D. And again, I can change any of the line types or line weights or even the colour of it all in here. Okay. Now this window can be docked. If you just drag it to the side of your application, it will dock to either the left, and you can just drag it out again using the bar at the top, or if you drag and dock it to the right, then it sits over here. Quite a lot of people like this because it sort of mimics the way that Vectorworks works. It has properties on the right hand side, and I believe AutoCAD for Mac also you'll find properties on the right. So it feels fairly familiar to a lot of people. If you don't like it being docked there because you do lose a bit of screen real estate, you can just have it floating and you can close it and open it at any point.